To add audio to your video in Canva mobile, let's select the video document. Let's swipe to find the landscape video. I'm going to elements and I'm just going to use any of this video here as a placeholder. I will slide this to take my playhead to the beginning. To add audio, let me just check this. And you want to come to where you have your audio. If you're adding from Canva Elements library, you can click on Elements here and come over to Audio and start searching the kind of audio you're looking for. Maybe I want to search a love song and I'll enter that. If you don't have Canva Pro, from the price menu here, you can click this arrow facing down to select free audio and you see all this audio coming up. You can preview the audio from here. This is from Pixabay. I'm just going to tap on the audio to add it to my design. You can see that our audio has added here. You can preview your audio from here to see how it sounds.